Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm going to show you how to install your rain cover on your boot. So you've got you've got some Velcro and some different pieces, but you want to look for this top piece with the zipper, and that's going to go on the top, just like so. Once you have the top lined up, then you can start on the sides. You want to get your handle through, and then you can attach the Velcro on the sides. One in the front, one in the back. You'll do that on the other side. And then when you have your cover on, your rain cover on, and you're using the bag, you don't have to remove it. It has a zipper on top, and then you can access the inside of your other bag. And that is how you install your rain cover.